Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and I am a cash stuffer here on YouTube, and we are a family of 3 and we are working to pay off 6 figures of debt. We use the cash stuffing method and zero-based budgeting, and today we will be cash stuffing $472. I am super excited to do this cash stuffing today. I'm also doing my monthly paycheck after this. There is no budget with me for the weekly paycheck this week, just for my sanity, but there will be a weekly budget with me for, there'll be a monthly budget with me for my monthly paycheck. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is get into my wallet and take out the dividers and do a cash unstuffing. So we had a little bit left over in groceries. We are gonna take this money out and put it to the side. And right here. Then in eating out, we had another $5. We're also gonna put that to the side. And then in spending, we had $21 left. I am gonna roll this $20 over into my spending just to save it for any needs that I might have. So yeah. We're gonna take these ones. The 5s are gonna go into our $10 It's Fall Y'all Savings Challenge. And these ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all gonna go into the dollar savings jar. So, super excited about the dollars. We'll put them right on in there. And there we go. The other part of my wallet I'm gonna unstuff really quick is that built-in little change purse. And thank you to everyone who commented on my last video about my son. He helped us in the last video. He is really tired today and feeling kind of grumpy, so I'm not gonna ask him to come do this like on video, and I'm gonna save it for him to do maybe tomorrow when he's feeling a little bit more up to it. He woke up super early this morning, and I think it just threw off his entire day. I think it just threw off his entire day. So he's a little grumpy, a little tired right now. So there's all that. I'm gonna keep this right here, and then we will stuff the weekly paycheck. Okay, so we are all set up, and we're gonna start with groceries. 50, 75. We are gonna stuff $75 into groceries, and then we are actually not stuffing any other envelopes from this paycheck because I got paid today, and we will be doing my monthly budget with me and cash stuffing in a separate video. Oh, look, there's another coin. Put that to the side for the baby boy. All right, so let's get started in our high priority binder. And this is our high priority binder. All right, we have our emergency fund up first. And so this, move this back a little. And our emergency fund always gets $20 a week. So we're gonna add $20 and has 100, 200, 300, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430. Is that right? $130. All right, car is not getting anything, but it is in the next video. Debt is getting one of these old $100 bills. And guys, we're so close to paying off that pesky Best Buy credit card. I can't wait. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 40, 60, 75, 85, 91. Yes, $691. I am so excited to pay this off. I cannot wait. It's gonna be amazing. That card, our Best Buy card, is at $955. So we're at $691 in here. And then we will literally be able to pay that off once we cash stuff my paycheck. It's gonna be, I'm so excited. All right, Christmas is getting its normal 35. $30 of 8. We have 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 400, 410, 460, 465, 470, 475, 480, 481, 482. You're doing great in this envelope. I'm very proud of us. I really am. I'm so excited for Christmas this year because it's going to be fully funded out of this envelope. There's not going to be a mad dash for cash. I'm so excited. All right. Then we have the college fund for the baby boy. And some of you are asking how old he is. He is about to be 2 in November. And he is just thriving. He's doing a lot of really great things. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that he's doing so well. It's a little light of our life. 10, 11, 12. All right, I'm so ready to open up his account and start gaining interest on this money. So we have 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. $484. So $484. This is for the $10 savings challenge, and then that's not getting anything until we do my paycheck cash stuffing. All right, so now into our low priority sinking funds, and we're gonna start with vacation, and it's gonna get $30. I'm excited about this fund growing so we can take a real vacation next summer. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210, 260, 1, 2, 3. $263. So we have gotten this back up almost to where it was. It was at 310 and now we're at 263. So family fund's gonna get its normal 5. So we have 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 95, almost to 100. So then we have pets, and Belle's gonna get her normal dollar. And I know, I feel like a bad dog mom. I really need to take her to get groomed. So So we have 20, 40, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. We'll be adding some more today from my paycheck. And then date night has $5, which we've now decided that this date night envelope is actually going to be for our anniversary. So we're going to start stuffing this a little bit more aggressively for our anniversary. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 95, 105, 110. So 110. Nothing into car maintenance. Miscellaneous gets its normal 10. And we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 2. 92. And when that is at 200, we'll stop stuffing that and put that money towards something else. Anytime we use it, we'll refill it. So, just FYI. For our $10 challenge, we're doing 2 10s. We'll put that aside for in a moment. And then for the birthday boy, we're doing 40, 5, 6, 7. So we have 20, 45, 6, 7. Which we did start keeping track of this envelope just so we know how much is always in here, because it does kind of have some in and out. We want to make sure we're being mindful of the balance. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $286. It's awesome. I'm excited. Personal's getting its normal 10. That's my husband's like clothes, shoes, haircut, stuff like that. So he has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, $64. And then nothing into beauty and $12 into shopping. So there's our 12. And that is it for our low priority binder. Now we're going to go into our savings challenge, and we are going to color in some pumpkin. And I'm going to be a little lazy this week and use a highlighter, and I found my other pen. And so we do have these 5s, and these 5s I'm actually going to use for another savings challenge we're doing. Guys, it is so cute. I can't wait for you to see it. And we're going to start saving for that with these. But we are going to color in our 2 pumpkins here. So we'll just color these guys in. And it'll be a lot faster this time because I'm using that highlighter. But guys, I cannot tell you guys thank you enough for all the support you've given the channel. We're almost at 200 subscribers, which is amazing. I hope that you'll join me in doing this It's Fall Y'all savings challenge. It's been really fun. It's really satisfying to fill in these pumpkins and watch it get full, and just know we're going towards that goal, and then we can use this to decorate or anything like that. And then our other savings challenge has a new envelope that is literally the cutest thing ever. I cannot wait to show it to you in my other video. You guys are going to freaking love it. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you guys will like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button. And I hope that you have a great day. Bye guys.